Hi, this is Sayali. If you have seen my last video, the old ply to art magic, this is the second part of it. This is a frame which I have made as per order on the same concept, Peacock Feathers. This is a 12 ply which I had got. Use sandpaper to make it smooth. Then paint it with acrylic paints if you want. After the paint has dried, I have used pencils to make the drawing on it. Use Fevicryl molded clay to make the outlines on the same drawing. The height of the clay should be at least 1 to 2 centimeters. The size and the theme is as per the client. From learning on a scrapwood to creating this professional peacock feather frame. Complete all the peacock feathers with the same clay. Use Fevicol to stick the clay and keep the height of each line the same. After the clay has dried, use white cement on it. It gives a smooth look to all the feathers. You need to apply 2 or more coats of white cement. It's the acrylic wall putty you get at the hardware shop. Use brush to apply it to fill the gaps to make the edges smooth. After 2 to 3 coats, you'll need sandpaper to polish it. After all this, even the white frame looks good. Now, when you paint, it will give you a finished look. Now, paint it with some acrylic colors, golden for the feathers and blue-green combination for the rest of the frame. There is a difference between painting on the ply and painting when you use wall putty on the ply. When you paint on the ply, you need more coats of paint and still it does not give it the finished look. painting on the wall putty is as same as you paint on the wall. The color combination is your own choice. I got all the shades of green and blue, and it's a mix and match. Enjoying what you are doing is more important than anything. Slowly you will get your desired results. Shading it to make it more luxurious. The center part is same blue and green glitter. Use Fevicryl to stick the glitter and let it dry. Do some shading with the glitter you have. Now get the bottle of resin. It has a hardener with it. How to use it? Everything is given on the bottle. Mix it well. Use gloves while using it. Pour wherever you wish to. Just it should have borders so that the resin does not flow out. The resin mostly takes 24 hours to dry when you can touch it. Pour some resin only on the glitter part. 24 hours you need to keep the frame without moving. Complete all the resin work with gloves and a mask. Then it turns out as glass on the glitter. The glitter will never come off or stick to your hands. You can clean the frame with a dusting cloth. You can use resin for the rest of the frame also. But then the rest of the frame should have proper edges so that the resin does not flow out. I am only using resin for the center glitter part. Can you mark the difference between the green and the blue part of the resin? Now one more touch and it becomes a professional artwork. The border. Now to make it look more professional, apply frame edges to the ply. For that, you need to go to the carpenter, color the border putty with brown or black and it will look like a complete frame to hang it on the wall, and then it's done. The previous one was an experiment on the scrap wood, but this is the improved part and fully professional frame. Do like and comment to tell me how do you find my frame. If you like my art and want to watch more innovative videos and ideas, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.